पुकारती, खालिदो ज़रार की मिसाल है पुकारती, मुर्तदों की ज़ालिमों की मौत है पुकारती, उठो के अब सवार हो मंजिले पुकारती.
Pakistan, a land of majestic mountains, fertile valleys, and ancient civilizations, has always embodied the spirit of resilience. Its landscapes are as diverse as its people, ranging from the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the vast deserts of Thar. Each region tells a story of its own, a story of beauty intertwined with the strength of its inhabitants. Its people, known for their warmth and hospitality, have faced challenges with unwavering strength and determination. Whether it's the bustling markets of Karachi or the serene villages of the northern areas, the spirit of community and togetherness is palpable. The smiles of children playing in the streets, the laughter of families gathered for a meal, all reflect a nation that finds joy in the simplest of moments. From the towering peaks of the Karakoram to the bustling streets of Lahore, Pakistan's beauty and resilience shine through. The Karakoram Range, home to some of the highest peaks in the world, stands as a symbol of the country's enduring strength. Meanwhile, the vibrant city of Lahore, with its rich history and cultural heritage, showcases the dynamic spirit of its people. The Indus River, a lifeline for millions, flows through the heart of the nation, reflecting the enduring spirit of its people. This mighty river has nurtured civilizations for thousands of years, providing sustenance and a means of livelihood. Along its banks, communities thrive, drawing strength from the river's constant flow. Throughout history, the Pakistani people have overcome countless obstacles. From the struggle for independence to the challenges of modern-day governance, the journey has been arduous but inspiring. The resilience of the people is mirrored in their collective efforts to build a better future. Natural disasters, economic hardships, and political turmoil have tested their resolve, but their spirit has never been broken. The devastating earthquakes, floods, and other calamities have only strengthened their resolve to rebuild and recover. The sight of soldiers training in harsh conditions is a testament to this unyielding spirit. This indomitable spirit, deeply rooted in faith and tradition, has been the cornerstone of Pakistan's resilience in the face of adversity. The cultural festivals, traditional attire, and religious practices all play a significant role in fostering a sense of identity and belonging. The success in the war on terror is a celebration of this shared heritage and collective strength. It is this spirit that has enabled Pakistan to not only survive, but thrive amidst challenges. The collaborative efforts seen in military strategies reflect the broader societal values of teamwork and mutual support. Every training session, every mission, is a microcosm of the nation's larger journey towards progress and excellence. The story of Pakistan's fight against terror is a testament to the power of human resilience. The strategic initiatives, the key victories against terror groups, all mirror the nation's own experiences. Each victory in the fight against terror is a reminder of the victories off the battlefield, where ordinary people achieve extraordinary feats. It is a story of a nation that has consistently risen above its challenges, drawing strength from its rich heritage, its vibrant culture, and the unwavering faith of its people. The traditional events, the community gatherings, all showcase a unity that transcends individual differences. This unity, this collective spirit, is what makes Pakistan a land of beauty and resilience, a nation that continues to inspire and endure. In the early 21st century, a new threat emerged, casting a shadow over Pakistan's progress. This threat was not just a fleeting concern, but a persistent and pervasive menace that sought to disrupt the nation's journey towards prosperity and peace. Terrorism, a global menace, reared its ugly head, seeking to undermine the very fabric of Pakistani society. It aimed to instill fear, create chaos, and destabilize the country's social and economic structures. Militant groups, with their twisted ideologies, aim to destabilize the country, targeting innocent civilians and disrupting the peace and harmony that Pakistan holds dear. These groups sought to exploit religious and ethnic differences, hoping to fracture the unity that binds the nation together. The rise of terrorism in the region posed a significant challenge to Pakistan's security and stability. The government and security forces found themselves in a relentless battle against these shadowy adversaries, striving to protect the nation's sovereignty and the safety of its citizens. The enemies of peace sought to exploit the country's strategic location and sow discord among its diverse population. They aimed to create an environment of mistrust and fear, hoping to weaken the nation's resolve and spirit. Bombings in bustling markets, attacks on places of worship, and assaults on security forces became a grim reality, instilling fear and uncertainty in the hearts of the people. These heinous acts were designed to disrupt daily life and create a sense of vulnerability among the populace. However, the Pakistani people, with their history of resilience and courage, refused to surrender to fear. They stood united, determined to protect their homeland and their way of life. The spirit of resilience was evident in every corner of the country, from the bustling cities to the quiet villages. They recognized this threat as a challenge to their way of life, their values, and their very existence. The fight against terrorism was not just a military battle, but a struggle to uphold the principles of justice, freedom, and unity that define Pakistan. The fight against terrorism became a fight for the soul of Pakistan, a battle to preserve its identity, its values, and its future. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Pakistani people who, despite the shadows of terror, continued to strive for a brighter, more peaceful tomorrow.